Hey guys, Brian the cell phone guy here again. Continuing on in our series on the Siyata SD7, we're going to take a look at the SOS service. Now, this service is something that you would set up either through the web portal if you subscribe to Kodiak or ESChat or some other push-to-talk service, or you can set this up on the radio itself. So if you look at the radio on the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see the SOS button right above the power key. And this is the button that you push to activate an SOS call. Now, please keep in mind, this is not a 911 type of emergency call. This is a text message that you program into the device that sends out to the person that you have programmed in as well. So it might be your safety supervisor, your site superintendent, your foreman, whoever you've decided needs to get SOS messages from your particular work crew. And you can have the same message go to 1, 2, or 3 different people. So let's take a quick look at how we're going to set that up. So if we go onto the main screen and we push in on the knob, it'll give us to the menu. We're going to scroll through until we come to SOS. We're going to push in on the menu and it comes to emergency SOS. Then we're going to go to SOS numbers. We're going to push in and here we see the numbers that I've programmed in, 1, 2, and 3. If we want to edit one of these, we simply push in on the knob. And this brings up the QWERTY keyboard with the numeric in the bottom left-hand corner. So what we're going to do is as you turn the knob to the right, it just goes through all the letters. And this is a little bit of a cumbersome process, but it's the only way to do this with such a small screen. Push in to select the numbers. And then you're going to go up to the top again. And if you want area code 613 and phone number 444-5555, you just enter those numbers and then scroll through. Now, if you made a mistake, when you get to this key, that's the back arrow, and that'll take the numbers off one at a time. If you're happy with the numbers, continue on until you come to the check mark, and then push in on the button, and that will select the phone number. Then we go back to the menu. Now here's your text message. So again, push in on the knob to select it. You can go in here and you can type out your message. If you want uppercase, you simply scroll through until you come to the arrow, push in, and now we have uppercase. So now let's just type in HELLO. And again, if you've made a mistake, go down here and stop on the back arrow and you can erase them one at a time. If you don't want all uppercase, go back to here and that'll change it from upper to lowercase. If you're satisfied with this, you just push in on the check mark and that sets your text message at hello. Now the final thing is whether you want the radio itself to make an audible siren sound when an SOS is initiated. So if you don't want the sound, you have to turn on the silent mode. So please keep in mind there's a difference between turning on silent and turning on the sound. They're actually opposites. So once we get out of that, if you want to send an SOS, you simply push the SOS button, hold it down for about 3 seconds, and I'll show you what happens. When you send the SOS, this is what's going to show up on the smartphone of the person that you've programmed. And if you hit the hyperlink, what it's going to do is it's going to go to a GPS map through Google Maps. And you look down at the bottom, you'll see the coordinates, the latitude and longitude. And of course, like any Google map, you can scroll in or you can scroll out, depending on what you want to see. And that's how the SOS feature works. Now, there is a much more in-depth service that you can subscribe to called Crisis Go. And if you want more information on that, I suggest you just take a quick look at their website, which is www.crisisgo.com. And that will give you a full instructions on what that subscription service is all about. So if you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel because we're going to have some more videos coming, and this way you'll be notified when they arrive. And other than that, thanks for watching.